you or a loved one is stuck sitting on a wheelchair or is unable to get up, but you're supposed to be able to walk already, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 exercises that actually work to improve your strength, improve your balance, and to get you to stand up and walk again instead of just doing chair workouts. May adlaw na tong tanan. I'm Nathan, I'm your occupational therapist, and my goal is to help you be more consistent with your therapy at home. So I've been helping older adults, stroke survivors, those who have broken legs, those who had surgery, and I'm helping them how to get stronger and be independent again. But what I've been noticing is that chair workouts and sitting exercises are becoming popular among those patients. And that is because they feel safe. But safety without gaining any strength or any balance or be able to walk again is not really the goal here. So I'd like to fix that, and if you may, follow along with me. All right, so we will be starting with sit to hover squats. This will improve your muscles and the control that you need when you're about to stand up and when you are walking. When you're about to walk, this will improve those muscles. And all you need to do is to push up and hover about 1 to 3 inches off the chair, and then you're going to sit down with control. All right, let's do 10. 1, and sit down. 2, hold it for a bit. 3, we're hovering, right? And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pause there a little bit. 9, and one more time. 10. And that is your sit to hover squats. The seated band rows will improve your back muscles, which you need when you're standing up so that you're not leaning forward. You're going to be straighter. You're going to strengthen all your back muscles. All right, so all you need is a towel or a TheraBand, okay? So let's do 10. Lean forward and pull up your elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To improve your ability to catch yourself when you're about to fall, let's try to do quick foot taps. So try to step forward and then step back as quickly as you can, all right? So let's start with our right leg. Step forward and back as fast as you can. Let's do 10 on each side, all right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is your quick foot taps. For the catch and reach drill, all you need is a pillow. So this will improve your ability to quickly react when you are about to stand up and you're losing balance like this. You're able to react quickly. We really need to retrain our nervous system where we are not going to be slow. We are quick, all right? So all you need is a pillow. Try to throw it up and catch immediately. So you're going to throw and then catch, all right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is your catch and reach exercise. So instead of just mindlessly doing sitting exercise, we really need to do a sitting to standing exercise in order to get up, in order to be able to stand up and walk again. So This is the rock and rise exercise. So sit down on your wheelchair or a regular chair. Push up, rock forward, bring your nose past your knees or where you can see your toes. And you're going to stand up slowly to a standing position, right? So that is so redundant. Then sit down slowly, all right? If you need the help of somebody to help you get up, ask for help or try to do this in front of a sink, all right? Let's do a controlled rock and rise exercise. Let's go. 1, stick your butt out and sit down. 2, 3. I think I need to practice this too. My legs are shaking. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stick your butt out. 9. Stick your butt out. Slowly sit down. And 10. And that is your rock and rise exercise. All right, so if you're ready to get up from just sitting, drop this comment down below in the comment section. Rise, not rise, but rise like getting up. So let's see who's doing the real work and wants to be able to do what they want to do. Being independent, be able to walk, be able to stand up, regain their strength and their balance. Now these exercises are quite easy and they're quick to do. In 30 minutes you're done. Maybe even less than that, maybe just 15 minutes. So try to do this every day. So here's a challenge. Try to do this maybe for 2 weeks every day and see if you're able to get up from your chair, from your wheelchair, where you're not when you're not dependent from your wheelchair anymore. So try this for 2 weeks and let's discuss if you're still unable to get up from sitting to standing. And if you find this video helpful, please click on that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And if you know somebody who's stuck sitting down, who is always dependent on a wheelchair, when they're supposed to be able to stand up and walk already, please share this video to them. Who knows? You might be the key to where they are already walking, standing up, and doing all the things that they really wanted to do. And just a reminder, consistency is the key and never give up. Until next time, paalam! Zoom!